In today's session, we are going to see different types of sleepers, their advantages and disadvantages. So, sleepers are divided into five categories: wooden sleepers, steel sleepers, cast iron sleepers, RCC sleepers, precast pre-stressed concrete sleepers. So, this category is based on the material used for manufacturing of sleepers. First we start with the wooden sleepers. Now these two pictures shows the wooden sleepers. The wooden sleepers regarded to be the best as they satisfy all the requirements of good sleepers. So whatever the requirements of the sleepers, the wooden slipper exactly fits in this category of the requirement. These sleepers are suitable for track circuiting. Whatever circuiting is required for signaling arrangement all along the track. In that case, these sleepers are also very suitable for track circuiting. The life of these wooden sleepers depends upon their ability to resist wear, attack by right hands, and quality of timber used. So the life depends upon the type of timber we are using and its ability to resist wear and attack by right hands. So timbers commonly used in India for sleepers are from sal trees, teak trees, deodar trees and cherwood. For BG, MJ and NG track, these are the dimensions of the sleepers. For BG track it is 2740 mm by 250 mm by 130 mm. For meter gauge it is 1830 mm by 203 mm by 114 mm. And for narrow gauge track it is 1520 mm by 150 mm by 100 mm. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of steel sleepers? Basically steel sleepers are light in weight. So because of the light in weight nature, they can be handled easily. The lifespan of these sleepers is more than wooden sleepers. It provides good lateral and longitudinal rigidity to the track, and they are best suited for track circuiting. So, in short, we can say the advantages of steel sleepers are they are light in weight, can be handled easily. The lifespan of these sleepers is more than the wooden sleepers. They provides good lateral and longitudinal stability to the track and suited for the track circuiting. What are the disadvantages? The initial cost is more than the wooden sleepers and they are liable to the corrosion. So the best suited for track circuiting is not the advantage. The basically it is a disadvantage of that it is not suitable for the track circuiting. Next, cast iron sleepers. Now cast iron sleepers are manufactured from the steel or we can say the iron. The life is more as compared to the wooden sleepers. Then maintenance cost is low. Gauge, that is inner distance between the two rails, can be easily maintained, and if there is requirement of some adjustment it can be done easily, or we can say they can adjust it easily, and they are more durable. As per the disadvantages are concerned, more ballast is required, more crushed stone is required, number of fittings are more, and they are liable to breakage during the transportation. Next kind of sleepers are pre-stressed concrete sleepers. RCC sleepers. The advantages and disadvantages of RCC sleepers are as they are manufactured from the concrete along with the reinforcement, they can bear compressive stresses as well as the tensile stresses. So life is more up to 40 to 60 years in case of RCC sleepers. They are free from natural decay, means as you know that the sleepers are exposed to environmental conditions like rain, temperature, wind. So they are free from natural decay and insect attack. They require the less fittings as compared to other slippers. They provide more lateral and longitudinal rigidity to the track. As life is more, the maintenance cost is low. Also, as it is made up of combination of concrete and steel, the RCC slippers provides a high elastic modulus and they can withstand the stresses of heavy loads. The disadvantages are they are heavy in weight. So because of their heaviness, handling and transportation is difficult. Then chances of breaking during movement is also possible because of this weight. If there is a problem with the track, there is a damage to a track and renewal or maintenance work is to be carried out, then track renewal becomes difficult. And also the scrap value is nil for these slippers. We see the pre-stressed concrete slippers. Now the name suggests that it is made up of pre-stressed technology. In these slippers, high tensile steel wires are used. These wires are stretched by hydraulic jack to give necessary tension in the wires. Then the concrete is poured under compression and it is cured for some time and the slippers is ready for use. These slippers are heavily damaged in case of derailment or accident of rails. If there is such kind of incident occurs, that is accident, derailment, the damage to the slippers is found to be very heavy. Indian Railways is extensively using these slippers. They have high initial cost but found to be very cheap in long run due to their long life and durability. And also they provides or it is free from natural decay and insect attack.